The Rack Shop is proud to present this Buick Enclave that has the factory installed flush side rails. We've actually just installed the Yakima SkyLine CoreBar base roof rack system. So this system consists of the Yakima CoreBar, 50 inches in length, that's a small bar. The SkyLine Tower, which has a quick release feature. Pull open the cap, lift off from the landing pad, which is landing pad 19. This particular vehicle, because the clearances, does not use the rubber boot around the base of the flush rail. So you can see there's a little bit of a gap there, but still a great secure hold to the flush rail, and it's bolted in with tamper resistant hardware. So crossbar spacing is 28 1/8 inches, center to center, and then total weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds evenly distributed. So these are the CoreBar load bars, which are a good economical system. You can also upgrade to the Jetstream bars if you want the most aerodynamic system possible. But this rack is great for cargo boxes, baskets, bikes, kayaks, pretty much you name it. So for more details, pricing, availability, and the purchase, click on the link in the description below. This has been just a quick walk around, and visit our website for more details. But like always, thanks for watching.